Let's talk about the business manager's dilemma. Keeping your network safe from cyber attacks is a perpetual process. The company must be proactive, testing their networks for cyber vulnerabilities. The problem is, the national hourly average rate for IT tech support is $160 an hour. It can get pretty expensive quick if you don't have the IT expertise in-house. If you're a business owner or manager and you don't have time to manage a network or defend against cyber attacks, but you also don't have the budget to pay for a full-time IT manager, then we're the right solution for you. Backstreet networks are designed to provide a secure, high-speed network solution for small and mid-sized companies. Our systems are offered with high-security firewalls and professional installation, all covered under the industry's longest warranty, 5 years. All you have to provide is broadband internet service, and we do the rest. For as little as $299 a month, we offer proactive IT support and threat monitoring services. But we also proactively monitor and test your network for cyber vulnerabilities. You receive a bi-monthly report detailing the tests and the results. We instantly correct any vulnerabilities we detected, ensuring that you maintain a high level of network integrity. We provide all this each month for less than what others would charge for just 2 hours of support. Now, you can spend days and likely weeks shopping for a local solution. Each provider is going to offer a different solution based on different equipment with different specifications. It's likely you'll be more confused at the end of the process than when you started. We're the only company nationwide with the confidence to quote a turnkey installation price up front. We save you weeks of shopping. One simple call to our support center, and we can provide a line item quote for your application in just a matter of minutes. No painful shopping, no confusion, just a rock-solid installation price from a rock-solid company. Whether you're in LA, Miami, New York, or Nome, Alaska, you can budget and count on our quoted prices for professional, finished, turnkey installations. Backstreet is the right choice for a worry-free, secure, high-speed business network. Call us today. Let's get you taken care of.